Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Most of the viewers of my channel are requested to show the tricks of any monogram logo design. They all ask me how to design a logo in polygon, triangle, square and circle. Even they don't know how many lines they need to make a logo. So friends, all problem going to be solved in this video. In this video, I will show you how to design your letter in different shape like triangle, polygon, circle and square. I think, if you watch this video carefully, you can learn more about monogram logo. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So, let's start the video. So first take line segment tool, and draw a line. Now copy the line by hold Alt, and take total 9 lines. Now select the all lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Now draw a triangle. For that, take polygon tool. Click right button of mouse, and make sides 3. Okay, that's good. Now select the lines, and go transform, and rotate the lines equal to triangle this line. Now copy this lines with the same degree. For that, click right button of mouse, and select transform, and select reflect, and copy it. Again select the lines, and copy it by following the method. Now go transform, and make it 0 degree. OK, now select all lines, and make it middle align center. Now delete triangle. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool. And draw your letter on the lines carefully. I have researched and got this idea that, if I draw these letter like that, I will be look good. So before doing a design, you need to spend huge time behind your design. Okay, that's good. Now move the design from the lines. For that, you need to ungroup all. You do ungroup until it finish. Now select the design, and move it. Select the design, and group it. Also turn the stroke color of this design. So friends, this is our today's design. We will design this letters in different shape like square, circle and polygon. So keep watching. Now we draw this design in square. So first take line segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt. Make total 14 lines. Now select all lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Now select the lines, and copy it by following the method. Now rotate it. Again select the lines, and copy it like before method. Also rotate it like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and those letters which we have designed in triangle. Do it carefully, I have also made mistake. Okay, that's good. Now move the design. For that, you need to ungroup all. Okay, now move it above lines. Okay, that's good. So I have designed the same letters on square. Now I will design the same letters in circle, so keep watching. First take Line's segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the lines by Hold Alt. Make total 12 lines. Now select all lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. OK, now take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle like that. Now copy the circle like that, and make the smaller like that. Again copy the circle. And make it smaller. Again do it for another like before. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and rotate it like that. Again select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw those letters that we have drawn on square and triangle. Do it carefully. Now move the design above from the lines like before. Okay, that's good. Now we design the last one, that is on polygon. So first take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Copy the line by Hold Alt. Make the total 12 lines. Now select the lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Now take Polygon tool, and draw a polygon. Rotate the polygon. Now select the lines, and go Transform, and rotate the lines equal to polygon this lines. Now copy this lines another, for that follow this method. Again select the lines, and copy it by following the method. Now go transform, and make it 90 degree. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Again select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw those letters over here. Do it carefully. Okay, that's good. Now that the design above from lines. Okay, that's fine. So friends, we have finally designed same letters in different shape. One important thing, if you want to design any kind of letters on those shape, you will always follow this method. I think you can do this. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button, and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.